all of you. Welcome back to your English grammar classes with Neetu Bhatia. I hope you all must be doing fine and taking good care of yourself. So, let's start with our today's topic. Our today's topic is based on a leftover part of adjective that I will be completing in today's class. So, today we will be starting with comparison of adjectives or degree of adjectives. Now, before starting, let me explain you that why we need to study the comparison of adjective or what does it means and why what do you understand by degree of adjectives. Okay, adjectives, we all know that when we add something to noun, the words that describe noun, that modifies noun, that tells more about noun are called the adjectives. Fine. Now first let me explain you this first part, comparison of adjectives. Now what are we comparing here actually in this concept? Okay, we all know, children, suppose ball is a noun here. Okay, suppose if I add an adjective to it, I add an adjective, a small ball. Okay, that is just an adjective I have added here. But now when I need to compare something, okay, it always happens, children. It's not necessary that हमें एक ही चीज पसंद आए. वी लाइक वन थिंग. एट टाइम्स हमें कोई ड्रेस थोड़ी पसंद आती है, कोई ड्रेस ठीक ठाक पसंद आती है और कोई ऐसी ड्रेस होती है जो हमें देखते ही बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आती है. ओके, मीन्स द ड्रेस आपको कोई कम पसंद आई. ओके, नाउ लेट्स टेक दिस एग्जाम्पल हियर. आई हैव 3 balls. ओके, let me compare these 3 balls of mine. Okay, this is my small ball. Okay, among 3 I am talking. This is my small ball. Okay, this is my smaller ball. Why this is a smaller ball? Because I am comparing this ball with ball number 1 and ball number 3. As compared to these 2 balls, this is the smaller ball, means in between the 2. This is my smallest ball. As you can see, the size also. So this is my smallest ball. So now my word small here is used to compare my noun. To compare my noun. Okay, let's take another example, children. Here is a man with 3 different faces. Fine. Now this man looks happy. I have added an adjective to it. He is an unhappy man, a happy man. Okay, he is happier than man number 1 and man number 3. Okay, I am comparing कि ये वाला जो man है ये man number 1 और man number 3 से ज़्यादा it's looking happy. Okay, my last man is looking the most happiest. He is looking the happiest, not the most. He is looking the happiest man here. Okay, why? Because it is showing me a very big smile. So I presume that this man is looking the happiest man here. Okay, now what have I done here, children? I have added an adjective to my noun and then I have compared my adjective in 3 different ways. Okay, so that is called the comparison of adjective. In day-to-day life, why we need to study this topic? So that we are able to differentiate between our likings. Like suppose if I go to buy a shirt, okay, there would be a shirt which I like the least, which I am finding it okay, and which I like the most. Fine. So that is the 3 forms of my liking. Okay, now let's come to the next part, that is the degree of adjectives. Now what do you understand by degree of adjectives here? Okay, so now let's start with degree of adjectives. Degree of adjectives is divided into 3 main degrees. First is the positive degree, then is the comparative degree, and then is the superlative degree, children. This is the basic degrees concept. A layman, in your layman language, you must have done in your classes. But now in this session, we will be having an insight with what does they actually mean and why we need to study the degree of adjectives. Fine. So let's come to a topic, that is the positive degree. Now here, positive degree means, children, the simplest form of the adjective. Suppose I take an example, small ball. This is my positive degree, the simplest form of the adjective. Let's move on to the next, children, that is the comparative degree. Comparative degree means, children, when I am comparing my noun with two objects. Fine. Suppose if I say this is a smaller box. Okay, this box is smaller than box number 1 and box number 3. So this second number box is the smaller one. I am comparing it with 1 as well as 2 here. Okay, then superlative degree. Now here, superlative degree means, children, when I am comparing it with more than 2 objects, that is called the superlative degree. Okay, and that is the highest last degree, and that is why we add est to make it the superlative degree. Now all this is the conceptual knowledge, children. Let me explain you with some examples here. Now, let's try to understand with the help of these example. Here you can see I have drawn 3 different houses. Okay, let's start with here. Now, let's take the first sentence, children. My house is large. ठीक है, मेरा घर बड़ा है. My house is large. Okay, this is suppose number 1 house. ठीक है, so now this is which sentence? ये कौन सा sentence है? This is a positive sentence. This is a positive sentence. Why it is a positive sentence? Because it is a simple statement. ये एक simple सी statement है. मैंने इसे कहीं नहीं compare किया है किसी के साथ में. Fine. Second sentence now. Mohan's house is larger than mine. ठीक है. अब now see here. अब मैंने यहाँ पे कहा कि जो मोहन का घर है वो मेरे घर से बड़ा है. ओके, तो मैंने यहाँ पे कंपेयर किया. मैंने अपने घर को मोहन के घर के साथ कंपेयर किया. ओके, सो टू कंपेयर व्हाट हैव आई डन? मैंने क्या किया? आई हैव यूज्ड, मैंने अपने एडजेक्टिव दैट इज लार्ज को क्या ऐड किया? ER. I have added ER and then I have added than here for comparing Mohan's house and my house. अपने घर को मोहन के घर के साथ कंपेयर करने के लिए मैंने उसे कैसे चेंज किया? I have added ER to my adjective and then to compare it. Fine. अब आपको यहाँ दिख रहा होगा कि मेरा मोहन का घर मेरे घर से ज्यादा बड़ा है. Fine. Now next, third sentence. Rama's. So this is which sentence, children? This becomes my comparative sentence. ये मेरा comparative sentence हुआ क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ पर 2 चीजों को अपने घर को मोहन के घर के साथ compare किया. Third sentence. Rama's house is the largest of all. अब मैंने क्या कहा? यहाँ पे here I have not compared anybody here. ठीक है, मैंने रमा को किसी के साथ कंपेयर नहीं किया. I have said a statement कि जो रमा का घर है वो हम सबके घर से बहुत बड़ा है. Okay, see here the picture you can see. रमा का जो घर है वो हम सबके घर से बहुत बड़ा है. So how, मैंने इसे कैसे समझाया सेंटेंस में? Rama's house is the largest of all. रमा का घर हम सबसे बड़ा है. So उसको सबसे बड़ा दिखाने के लिए what have I added here? The largest, EST of all. Fine. This is one example. Let me give you more example. Now look here, children. I have again taken 3 examples here. Mohan is a young boy. Okay, here my young is my adjective and boy is my noun. Young is my adjective and boy is my noun here. Okay, this is my noun and this is my adjective. Here I have not compared anything. मैंने किसी चीज को यहाँ compare नहीं किया है. So which sentence is this, children? This is my positive sentence. Okay, let's come to next. Rama is younger than Mohan. फाइन. अब इसमें I have compared, मैंने रमा को और मोहन को मैंने कंपेयर किया है यहाँ पर. और मैंने कंपेयर करने के लिए मैंने क्या किया है? What have I done here? Adjective young. What have I added? Er plus than. Okay, this I have used to compare. So which sentence is this, children? This is my comparative sentence. Okay, let's move on to the third sentence, children. Hari is the youngest among us. अब जो हरी है that is third child और वो हमने उसे किसी से compare नहीं किया है. What have I said? Hari is the youngest among us. हरी है वो हम सबसे बड़ा है. So from these examples you must have understood how we have to go about the sentences, children. Mohan is young boy. Positive sentence means a simple statement, that adjective form of adjective we are talking. Rama is younger. Okay, this is my comparative because I have compare here using than, and Hari is the youngest among us. So this is my superlative degree. This is my superlative degree here. Now, see this, children. I have given a rule to that you will follow while we are doing comparative sentence. Subject plus verb plus comparative adjective than plus noun. How it goes, children? Mohan is younger than Hari. Okay, so अब मेरा मोहन subject है. हम इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, मोहन के बारे में. Is my helping verb here. Young, okay, is my adjective. Er I have added to make it comparative. Okay, than and Hari is my object. Means मोहन का इफेक्ट किस पे जा रहा है? हरी पे, ऑब्जेक्ट पे. So this is rule for the comparative degree. Now see this, children. Superlative degree. Now this is my superlative degree rule. Now how does it goes, children? Subject plus verb plus the to show the superlative form. Superlative adjective noun, that is the object. See, John is the youngest of all three. So how it goes, children? John is my subject here. Is मेरा हेल्पिंग वर्ब है यहाँ पर. हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स आर दोज जो सेंटेंस को मीनिंगफुल बनाने में हेल्प करते हैं, लाइक इज, एम, आर, वॉज, वर, हैज, हैव, हैड. ऑल दीज आर helping verbs. They are all the form of be. Be is this be. Be. This we will do when we will do tenses part. Okay. Now the I have added here to show the superlative form, children. And young is my adjective here. Est I have added to make it superlative, and rest is my object here. Now here are, children, some irregular adjectives. Now what do you understand by the term irregular adjectives? It means, children, they don't follow any rule. Like we have done the positive, the comparative and the superlative. What we have done? That small, smaller, smallest. Brave, braver, bravest. But irregular adjectives are those which do not follow any rule. They have their own comparison. Okay, like see, suppose good is a positive degree. Sita is a good girl. It's a positive sentence. Okay, now at comparative will be better and the superlative will be best. Sita is the best girl in the class. Okay. Or I can say Sita is better than other children of the class. Next, many, much. Many and much are both used. Many is used, children, for countable things, and much is used for the uncountable things. When we have done adjectives of quantity and number, then there we have done this. Fine. So what is the comparative of many or much? It remains same. That is the more and the most. Okay. Next, old means buzurg. Okay, or you can say something which is old. A building is old. That kind of, there also we can use this term. Old, older and oldest. Here they have used like ये irregular नहीं होते हैं like older and oldest. Okay, next far, farther, farthest, little, less and least. So here they are the irregular adjectives, children. Okay, so this we have done irregular adjectives. Now there are some other adjectives, children, which do not follow these rules at all. Neither they are the irregular adjectives nor they follow the general rule of the comparison of adjectives. Fine, let's see what are those adjectives. Now, see these adjectives, children. Okay, beautiful, comfortable, expensive, interesting. They all are the adjectives. Fine, like say beautiful girl, comfortable sofa, expensive dress, interesting book. They all are adjectives, children. Now, these are among those adjectives, as I said, which do not follow any rule. They are compared by using the adjective more or the most. More or the most. In comparative, we use more, and in superlative, we use the most. Remember this, children. In comparative, we use more, and superlative, we use most. Fine. So how it goes, children? See, positive degree, beautiful girl. Okay, Reena is a beautiful girl. Okay, Sheena is more beautiful than Reena. Okay, Sheena is the most beautiful girl among her classmates. Comfortable. This sofa is comfortable. This sofa is more comfortable than the previous one. This new sofa is the most comfortable sofa. Expensive. This dress is expensive. This dress is more expensive than we saw in the previous shop. Most expensive. This is the most expensive dress among all the 4 dresses I have seen. Okay. Interesting. This is an interesting book. That book was more interesting than this book. Okay. My new book is the most interesting story book. Fine. So here I have shown you how we can use these adjectives. Fine. Now see these examples, children. The common errors that are done by the students. Rama is the most beautifuler girl. The most beautifuler girl. When you have added here most, children, and when to your adjective to show it in the superlative form, so why are we adding er here? Beautifulest. Sorry, here it will be the beautifulest girl. First of all, there is no such word as beautifulest. Secondly, when we have added most here to make it the superlative degree, we will not add est here. The sentence is wrong. The correct sentence is Rama is the most beautiful girl. Rama सबसे सुंदर लड़की है. आप इस सेंटेंस को हिंदी में बोल के देखिए. Rama सबसे सुंदरतीय लड़की है. That is wrong. Okay. Next, my brother is more braver than you. मेरा भाई तुमसे ज्यादा ताकतवर, something like in Hindi, braver than you. जब मैंने, when I have added er here to compare it, then why am I adding more here? This is wrong. Okay, my brother is braver than you. See, मैंने यहाँ compare भी कर लिया by using er and by using than here. Fine. So, by the end of this video, children, let me quickly run down to what we have done. First, I started with what do we understand by comparison of adjectives. Second, we did what are degrees of adjectives. Then we did positive, comparative and superlative degree. How we form the comparative positive and superlative degree. Fine. Then we did some irregular adjectives which do not follow any rule. Lastly, we did the some adjectives like beautiful, comfortable, expensive, where we use more and most to show them in their comparative and the superlative form. And lastly, the common errors that are done by the students while doing this topic. Okay, so by the end of the video, children, I presume that I have cleared your concept. I executed everything as best I could. So any doubts, any suggestions, please drop it in the comment section, children, and I will be waiting for your comments. And if you are liking my videos, please do press the like button and subscribe to my channel, because I take efforts, I take pains, and to just make these videos and deliver it to you. So I hope you are understanding, your concepts are getting clear, and you are able to strengthen your concepts that you are doing right now. So please go ahead, and no conjuicy in liking and sharing and subscribing. So we'll be waiting for you. So have a great day and stay safe and stay connected. Bye. See you soon.